Today we'll be doing the unboxing for the WSP-403 ZigBee Smart Plug as well as the SEG-X3A ZigBee Wi-Fi gateway. First we'll be unboxing the ZigBee Smart Plug, which will contain instruction and procedure book as well as the ZigBee Smart Plug itself. Next we'll be unboxing the ZigBee Wi-Fi gateway, which will also contain an instruction and procedure book, followed by a socket head for you to plug your Wi-Fi gateway into a power source. The box will lastly contain the Wi-Fi gateway itself, and please do make sure that all of these contents are present when you are unboxing your Wi-Fi gateway as well as your smart plug. After unboxing the contents within the box, you will then connect the Wi-Fi gateway as well as the ZigBee Smart Plug into a power source, and then you'll be turning it on. After turning it on, you can see that there will be a purple light blinking on the Wi-Fi gateway. As shown in the video, after connecting the Wi-Fi gateway and smart plug to a power source, the Wi-Fi gateway will blink purple and the smart plug will be blinking red. To download the application for the smart gateway and also smart plug, head into the App Store or Play Store and search for Smart OWON and download. After creating your account, log in. There will be a gateway list page. Click the plus sign on the top left and add the device that you own. Head into the configuration wizard and press next. On this page, add your Wi-Fi SSID as well as your Wi-Fi password and click next. The application will now begin scanning for smart gateways nearby. After your smart gateway has successfully binded to your application, you can then choose to name the gateway anything you want. You will now see your gateway in the gateway list, and all you have to do is just click into the gateway. Click the icons on the top left and click on Add New Devices to pair your smart gateway to other smart devices compatible with the smart gateway. After successfully pairing your smart plug to your smart gateway, you will now see your smart plug in the application interface. You can choose to turn on or off the smart plug as well as track real-time power consumption. Within the app, you can also see your hourly consumption, your daily consumption, your monthly consumption, as well as your annual consumption. As the gateway is configuring, the light will be orange, and after it has finished configuring, the light will turn blue and start blinking. When adding new devices to the gateway, the blue blinking light on the Wi-Fi gateway will turn to a static blue light. The red blinking light on the smart plug will also turn to a static red light, and as they pair successfully, there will be a quick blinking blue light on the gateway.